In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your LinkedIn account with a work email. Open the LinkedIn app on your phone and land on your usual homepage with posts from your network. From there, look to the top left and tap your profile icon to open your profile. Tap your profile photo again to enter your full profile view. Here, you'll see an option labeled Add Verification Badge. Tap that, then choose Verify with Persona. Persona is LinkedIn's trusted identity partner, and completing this check unlocks the ability to verify your account with your work email, which adds credibility to your profile. On the Persona screen, you'll be asked to select the country that issued your government ID. Use the first box to pick the correct country, for example, the Philippines, if that's where your ID was issued. When you've selected the right country, tap Continue, and then tap Yes, continue to confirm. Next, it's time to capture your ID. Start with the front. Move to a well-lit spot, ideally with even lighting and no harsh shadows. Hold your ID steady and make sure all four edges are visible. You want the text and photo to be sharp and readable. If glare appears from overhead lighting, tilt the card slightly until it disappears. If you already have a clear photo saved, tap Upload and choose it from your camera roll. After the front is accepted, repeat the process for the back of your ID. Keep the entire card in frame and ensure the details are legible. If you're uploading instead of taking a live photo, select high-resolution images without edits or filters, since enhancements can cause a rejection. When you finish the image uploads, Persona will process your submission. This usually takes a short moment. Keep the app open and avoid navigating away while it's working so the session doesn't time out. Once the identity check is complete, LinkedIn will enable the option to verify your LinkedIn account with your work email. That connection signals that your professional identity is authentic, which can build trust with colleagues, recruiters, and clients who visit your profile. A few quick tips to help things go smoothly. Use your original, unexpired government ID, not a photocopy. If your hands are shaky, place the ID on a flat surface and move your phone instead. And make sure you're on a stable internet connection. If a photo isn't accepted, try again with brighter, indirect light and a darker, non-reflective background to increase contrast. Staying within the app until you see confirmation helps prevent interruptions. That's everything you need to complete identity verification so you can verify your LinkedIn account with your work email. Follow these steps and you'll be ready to showcase that verification badge on your profile.